simple dish. Out of this tokwa, I will make a very yummy, healthy dish. First of all, I will slice into bite size. Like that. Small cubes. Okay. This is a very easy and quick preparation of a healthy food. Very easy. Ayan. Okay, a very easy and quick cooking of tofu. I will be sharing it with you. So, na-slice na. I will prepare this one, the burner, and then the frying pan. Okay, I will just place an abundant amount for frying the tofu. Ayun, mainit na. So, i-fry natin ang tofu. Ayan. Okay, yan na. Let us try to ayan, balik ka rin natin. Ayan. Okay, para maging crispy or crunchy ang ating tofu ay hintayin natin maging golden brown all sides. Yan. Okay. Okay, ayan na, nag-golden brown na siya. So, ang gawin natin ay harvest na natin. Ayan, crispy-crispy na siya. Golden brown. Ayaw naman natin na masunog. Okay? Pa-absorb muna natin ang kanyang oil. Ayan. Okay, patayin ko na. Okay. Ito na yun. So, what will we do is to absorb the excess oils. Then, timplahan na natin. Nandito na. So, ang gawin natin ngayon ay timplahan na natin ang ating tofu. Okay, I have here mayonnaise. Okay, before that, ay lagyan ko muna siya ng toyo. Toyo guys, para ayan yung silbing pampaalat natin yung toyo. Huwag masyado dahil baka umalat. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ayan. At lagyan ko pa siya ng black pepper. I love my black pepper when it is freshly crushed. Ayan ay dinikdik ko para mas mabango. Ayan. Okay, so crunchy. And then, lagyan na natin ito. 1, 2, see? Ayan na. Habang mainit pa, halo mo na. Like that. Para siya ay maging creamy na siya dyan. And then, serve na natin. Like that. So simple, so healthy, and so yummy. Okay? Yan ha. At ilagay ko lang siya sa, transfer natin sa serving plate. Okay? Dito, pag nag-serve ay ganyan lang. Masarap. And every person, let us place this way. See? Very nice. Very appetizing. Very appetizing look. Ayan. So, ayan na guys. At tapos na ang pagluto natin sa tofu. The very easy cooking of tofu. Here it is. Okay, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to switch on the notification bell para kayo ay ma-notify every time may bagong upload na video. Okay? Thank you so much. See you again next time. Bye-bye. Stay safe. God bless. Always smile and stay inspired.